Welcome back, engineering design students. Today is the first day of Arduinos. Yay! Woohoo! So, open up Tinkercad, head on over to Learn. So let's learn something today. And we're not going to be doing lessons. We're actually going to jump into projects. So if you click on projects over here, now that's going to, the projects that show up are going to be 3D projects, but that's not what we want. We want circuits projects. So make sure you get at circuits and projects, and at the top are all these standalone single things that you can do. But they also have like full courses, and we're going to jump into the courses. So show more projects, and you're going to scroll right past all of these standalone single classes. And you get down to here where you can see that they're numbered and there's a series. They have series of classes inside. So we are going to start, I know you're shocked by this, we are going to start by the introduction. So scroll on down past all the single classes to introduction. And there's this weird thing where if you click on it, it takes you to the bottom of the web page, which is a little odd. So you have to scroll up. It's very normal to kind of click on it and be like, oh, well, this page is busted. Nope, you're just at the bottom of it. So Project Zero, Introduction. And there's 6 lessons here. You are not going to do all 6. Today, you are going to do 1 through 3. Tomorrow, you're going to do 5. And we're actually skipping 4 and 6. Lessons 4 and 6 are if you are going to build work with an actual physical Arduino. Now, we would work on that if we could get together because we have Arduinos at school, but we can't. So we're going to skip 4 and 6. So today is 1 and 3, and then tomorrow you're going to go through 5 and maybe an additional one. I haven't decided yet. So you are going to start with 1. So you're going to click on Welcome to Arduino, and it will open up. Hopefully it will open up today. There we go. And you're going to read everything, and you're going to click next, and you're going to go through the entire introduction. Welcome to Arduino. This video is not about this. I want to go back, so it's not super obvious that you can actually go back to the class, to this kind of batch of lessons right here by clicking on Project Zero, Introduction, and that will take you right back to this page. And now it's showing that this one is in progress because I have started it. I've clicked on it, and clearly I have a bit to go. So you're going to go through 1. When you finish that, you're going to go through 2. When you finish that, you're going to go through 3. Now 3, I do want to point out just a couple quick things, and then I'll leave you guys to it. So this is the final thing you're going to do, and you're going to be programming the Arduino. And I want to show you a couple quick things. One is I want to show you code. So this button here allows you to open up the code for the Arduino. So what happens is if I change this code, which you will here in this lesson, it's like the second or third step. So it tells you a bunch of junk. You should read all that. Tells you a bunch of junk. You should read all that. Tells you a bunch of junk. And then, even more. Tells you a bunch of junk. You should read all that. And then it says here, change the delay times by 1,000 to 100. So what they're saying is, right here where it says delay 1,000, so this line of code right here sets it to high, sets an LED to high. And if I change 1,000 to 100, it will change what happens. Now, I'm not telling you how it works. I'm not telling you what to do. I just want to show you that little bit. And then if I click Start Simulation, what happens is it reprograms this Arduino with this new code. So every time you change the code, you should click on Start Simulation. And what that does is it takes this code and reprograms it into this chip right here. This is the chip that you're talking to. So this code here is loaded into this chip, this chip right here, and then it will run. Now you'll note that yours, when you open it, will have stuff in here. I've removed all the stuff because I was working on it. So that's what you're going to do. You're going to go back to Project Zero, Introduction, which is at the bottom of Learn Circuits. You're going to do 1, you're going to do 2, you're going to do 3, and then you'll do the homework that is assigned. The homework actually relates to part 2. So, pro tip, you should open the homework, and while you go through part 2, do the homework while doing it. Because that will guarantee that you get it right. The homework is only about part 2. Has nothing to do with parts 1 and 3. So I would do the homework while you work through part 2, then work through part 3, which really just gets you ready for tomorrow's class. That's all I got for you today. Good luck.